I mean, all right, here we go. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
As far as debate, I want to get your opinion on extortion versus support, right? A lot of places do this, especially LA and Detroit. You know, Trick. They actually had a documentary, Trick. Basically, all the niggas who extort people, right? It was Trick, Big U, I think Deb Apney. Shout out to Deb, Auntie Deb.
Big
I'm
Deb.
call her Mommy Deb.
Yeah, that's
Actually,
Big Deb.
I used to call her, and she used to think I was her son all the time. That's how she got me. She got me my Gucci Mane interview. Cause she
Nah,
was,
Deb is official.
I used to call her, and I have a New York number, and she'd be like, "Hey, baby." I used to be like, "Hello," and she'd be like, "Oh, this is my son. I got my son in New York." I was like, "Oh," you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And she was mad cool. Like
was
she definitely
official.
gave me like mom vibes. Like it was like I love. I don't know like that. We spoke a few times. She gave me an interview. I appreciate it, but she definitely gives me those mom vibes. You know what I'm saying? So whatever I could do to help her out or promote or whatever you need, we could do something absolutely. Because she actually helped me. But yeah, back to the thing. So extortion versus support. So here we go. When I used to travel with Rough Riders, we would always connect with people where we went. That was like a normal thing, right? And I learned that when I went to Cali. Shout out to Cartoon up there in Rialto, California. I got some video I can show you on that too. And it's kind of like when my cousin comes from Atlanta to New York. He calls me. I put like it's kind of a normal thing you do. You pull up with your people. There's certain things you know what's going on or take you around. When I go to Atlanta, I call my cousin. He take like right now, and you do business with niggas. You know what I'm saying? We're Rough Riders, right? They would we would meet certain people who's connected to the certain areas we at. They would do things for us as far as okay, this is how you get this is how you get that. You know,
Right.
accommodate certain things, and in return, it was like you get access to what we're doing, right? Sometimes you may get an extra bag. Say we had a show, you may like, oh, can I get to say we would Kiss whatever? You may be like, you have a major show. You may be like, yo, Kiss, can I bring you to this club to do a little walkthrough? He may get the walkthrough money, but Kiss is kind of doing it on the strength. You see what I'm saying? So like, it's like everybody's finding a way to eat together. That's cool. To me, that's support. But what I think happens, I think this is what Trick and other niggas is doing when they demand it. Like, come on, we going here. Like, what the fuck? Like, shit. Like, I think, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they're demanding it.
Yeah.
And what they was doing, they saying what they saying. I don't know. Did you Khaled had it? Big Whack 100 said this. Did you Khaled doing that the song with Nipsey and when he was out there, they would run a play where he would send niggas out to rob with Meek Mill. Same thing with Meek Mills. Loose Cannon said it. Where say he send the wolves to press a nigga. He'll call or be like, yo, you know, whatever. He'll get, say, you DJ Khaled or you Meek Mills, whatever. He'll call the wolves off. Yo, I got you. Don't worry, nothing gonna happen to you.
It's all a game, yeah.
Just meet me over. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah,
I got
yeah.
that's like or
Every
I'ma
time you
take-
out here, you safe. I'll make sure you good. But I take care of you, you take care of me.
or I'm gonna get you robbed. I'm gonna get your shit back. No, I'm gonna get your chain back. Shit.
Right.
Young
Yeah.
Berg, just give me how much the chain worth? 40. Give me 15. I can get it for you right now. And the niggas who got it is
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
So that's extortion. But where is it? So, but this is so. I just explained two different things though, and I think people blur that line. I think that's what. So when they mentioned the Shaq thing, I think that was kind of support. They said they said he extorted Shaq and Draymond Green by suggesting him to donate to one of his nonprofits.
Suggesting.
But look,
Allegedly.
but the nonprofit
Allegedly.
is his shit, and they're saying when they went, that's what they got the IRS shit with him.
Yeah.
the money didn't go nowhere, right? So they're like, "Where's whatever, whatever?" And that's his. That's his
Oh, it
own.
went somewhere.
Yeah.
It went somewhere, all right.
But that's his personal business, right? But I don't think he. I mean, he could have. But let's say if
So you
Shaq.
think he thugged Shaq?
That's what I'm
into
saying.
that?
I don't think he thugged him. Shaq or Draymond Green, no. Now DJ Khaled, he probably thugged. You know what I'm
Oh yeah.
saying? You know what I'm saying? Young Bird, you know what I'm saying? So, like, so I think they.
I
You
wouldn't
know,
even be mad if he extorted Khaled. Khaled is a vulture, man.
he is a vulture.
He a vulture.
He's a light vulture, but he's still a vulture.
Yeah. Get something.
We nigga. Like, whoa, hold
Yeah,
on.
I don't think you allowed to say that, sir.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Like,
Yeah.
I wouldn't even be mad because he stole from the culture. Just for what he did to Ace Hood alone. But anyhow, that's neither here nor
Oh
there.
shit.
That's
Ace
neither
Hood?
here nor there. Yeah. You're like, who that?
Um.
But okay, I mean, but my thing is too. Yeah, maybe they blurred the lines on some of them things. I don't doubt that the feds are trying to see whatever they can make stick. But bro, you got corpses DNA under your fingernails.
That was weird. That was wild. Not weird. That was
I
wild.
don't see how they made that up. You know what I'm saying? Like
No, they didn't make that one up. That's what I'm saying. He's doing. Yeah, it's probably
he's
both.
doing a lot of.
He is.
I mean, allegedly.
So he is Mr. Jailman.
We got him.
Mr.
We got him.
Mr. Jailman.
Move, move.
Let's move on to another topic because I don't want to talk much about that nigga. But as far as the artist thing, yeah, that there's a line between extortion and support. So, like, say if I had some kind of scam or whatever going on, and if you get a write off. Here's 30,000. You write it off. I'm like, I know you ain't. I don't think that's extortion. You know what I'm saying? But he's probably doing both. You know what I'm saying?
I don't doubt that he's doing both, man. They found a way to eat off people who already made it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
they gonna eat too. I think J.R. Prince do the same thing.
Who?
J. Prince, J.R. Prince, J. Prince Jr.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think he do the same thing. I think that's why Drake was so, talking the way he's talking because
Drake?
I mean, he's super connected.
Oh, yeah.
He cut him a little bread, keep him right,
Mm-hmm.
and keep Drake protected.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's why Drake was yelling
Calling
at
the
mob
hits.
ties.
Mob ties.
Mm-hmm. Trust me. But yeah, enough about Big U.
Yeah. All right. So let me ask you this right here.